Summer's finally here. I know you're probably ready to shut down the books, kick back, and just enjoy some freedom away from school. And honestly, you should. Everyone needs a break. But here's the thing most people don't realize. Summer is also the absolute best time to get ahead and set yourself up to absolutely dominate the next school year. Think about it. During the school year, you're juggling classes, homework, extracurricular activities, and everything else life throws at you. It's easy to fall behind or miss key concepts. And then, when the pressure piles up, it's stressful and overwhelming to catch up. That's exactly why summer tutoring is a total game changer. By working with a tutor over the summer, you get personalized, one-on-one support focused entirely on your needs. Whether it's catching up on material you struggled with last year, reinforcing your skills and strengths, or getting a head start on next year's topics, summer tutoring gives you the time and space to learn at your own pace without distractions. No pop quizzes, no homework piles, just real, focused help designed to make learning easier and way less stressful. Plus, summer tutoring beats the summer slide. That frustrating loss of skills, knowledge that happens when you don't practice over break. Instead of losing ground, you actually build skills and confidence. So when school starts again, you're not playing catch up. You're leading the pack. Imagine you walking in on your first day next year, already feeling confident, prepared, and ready to raise your hand in class. That kind of confidence doesn't just improve your grades. It changes how you see yourself as a student. And here's the truth. This isn't just about academics. It's about building habits, discipline, and a mindset that sets you up for success, not just in school, but in everything you do. So don't just let the summer slip by without making it work for you. Whether you're struggling in math, reading, science, or just want to sharpen your skills, tutoring over the summer can make a huge difference. Our tutors are ready to help you figure out exactly what you need and how to get there. So if you want to start next year confident, prepared, and ahead of the curve, don't wait. Reach out to us today. Spots fill up fast during the summer, and the sooner you get started, the more you'll gain. Let's make this summer the one that changes everything for you.